Hey guys, back to the doghouse today. I want to see if I can get this here finished tomorrow. I don't think I'll get it done today. I only work 4 hours a day because by the time the PSWs leave my house, getting bed ready for the day, blah blah blah, and I get out here, it's between 11 and 12. And I shut things down around 3 to go in and start supper. So anyway, 4 hour day. That's more than enough. But anyway, yesterday I got some scratch putty on here. I'll sand her down today with my big long board, see if I got any low spots or whatever. I don't want to be really fussy along here because there's a rock guard going here, but going up here, I got to be fussy because this here, all it is just paint. That shows the quality right there, and I believe in quality. Today's episode is brought to you by Mr. John 613. He's a good lad. Go check his channel out. He's a young lad from Madoc area. That's somewhere around where my buddy George lives. Mr. John 613. Little wee divots right here. I'll smear a little bit of scratch putty on there. Give her another sand and she should be good. Famous last words, eh? Should be good. Yeah, we'll see. Well, while I'm waiting for the scratch putty to dry, cure, whatever it does, might as well take care of the back end of this here. Somehow this here all got worn away, whatever. Not worn away, I don't know. But anyway, I got to grind all this down. Get it ready. Got to take all this stuff off here. Here it's all bubbled. And that was caused right at the factory. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right up here. Right up here, there's a drain hole for the water. That was plugged with seam sealer. I picked that off, and if that would have been opened, you wouldn't have had all this rust here. This here all bubbled. Surprised it didn't come all the way through. But anyway, I got to take care of that. So now I got to pull these letters off. I'm only going to paint to here, from across here. That'd be a good place to do it, and down here. I'm not going to do the whole trunk, unless it doesn't look good. But I hope this little bit here, that's the only part you're going to see. Yeah, so let's strip those letters off and start sanding. Well, I'm not surprised. Got a little bit more. But this was a rusted spot here. So I got a little bit of sanding to do around the keyhole here. You see, here's another spot that was starting to rust. Little bubbles in the paint. That along here, we knew that. But there was another spot coming to here. There's a couple spots here. You know, like you never know until you start sanding this stuff out. But anyway, I'll give this here another little sanding. What do you got to do in the bottom here? I just can't see that, but it's terrible in there. I'll have to get my, wow, worse than I thought down in here. I'll have to take that right down, redo that. Oh well, there goes a couple more hours work. Stick around. Here's a better look at it. See all the rust here. And this was a hole I was telling you about that they plugged right from the factory. And it ended up all this here. All this here has to be repaired now. The whole trunk lid. Yeah. But anyway, more fun. Well guys, I'm done for the day. It's 4:45. I'm working overtime today. I got to get in and make supper. Anyway, I got the back all sanded down, got her primed. I got this here finished off. Got the second coat of scratch putty on there, glazing putty. Got another coat of primer on there, so that's all done. That's all nice. So this here is got that done, and the other side is all done. That's good. Just have to give it a little light sanding to take off the whiskers. Looks like I need a little shot of primer back in here. Oh, I'll do that tomorrow. I still have another couple little binds to fix up. I got this here to do yet. And little chip marks here. I'll just probably just dab them. I won't bother sanding it down. There's no rust in there, so that's good. And then I got some chips here. Got a chip along here. Got a big chip here. I'm going to sand them down, prime them, and paint them. All that there is done, so yeah, another 2 days, I guess. This is the slow part where you gotta wait for stuff to dry. But anyway, I'm done. Going in the house now, and maybe relax a wee bit tonight. You never know. So anyway, talk later. Stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, please. I enjoy reading the comments. So talk to you later. Get back at her tomorrow. Bye now.